Alright, so now that you have a video clip, I'm assuming that you've already downloaded a clip and that you've gone into QuickTime and trimmed it down to about 30 seconds for you to rescore. Now you've brought it into Garageband and you're ready to start to rescore. One big tip I have for you is if you want to be able to see the video play, you should go to the movie track up here and click on the picture right there. And now you can resize that if you wish on the bottom right, or just leave it like it is, but that'll allow you to see it. And if I press play using the space bar, you'll hear the original. And now we want to take that sound out and rescore it with our own. So I'm going to mute this movie soundtrack, and what I've done is I've already edited this so you can so we can go quicker here in the tutorial and you can see what I've done. I've added some sound effects called bubbles and scuba breathing to mimic lava bubbling up, and those sound effects came right from GarageBand. Okay, but there's a few more actions that need to be scored. For example, the jumping. So what I did in GarageBand is I recorded my voice doing a wee kind of sound, and I went into the info button here and I edited the effects to add a vocal transform and make a chipmunk sound to my voice. And then using Option click and dragging each of these things, I can actually make copies of different jumping noises, and that's how I duplicated all the jumps. Next I added a sound for when he drags down the wall here, and I also added another sound from GarageBand to mimic the flower coming out of the question mark box. And lastly, I added a jingle that was built into GarageBand. So those are all the there you go. Those are all the different sound effects that I added in. And then lastly, you're going to mix the various track levels to make sure that it sounds the way you want to. When you're done, you're going to go to Share, Export Movie to Disk. Make sure you're on the iPod settings and export and save the file somewhere. And make sure I get it when it's done. That's it. Have fun.